Summertime is almost here, and that means it's time to start grilling. Howard shows us how to make honey mustard grilled pork chops in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
For many of us, this weekend will be the first time this season we'll be firing up the grill. And to make sure your cookout doesn't turn into a cook-in, now is the time to make sure your grill is in tip-top shape. If you have a propane grill, make sure your tank is in good shape. That means the on-off valve is working properly and the tank itself is not rusted. And if everything's okay, make sure you have it filled. On the grill itself, double check that the hose connecting the tank to the grill is not cracked. And if you have a self-starter, make sure it hasn't lost its spark. Now, whether you have a charcoal or gas grill, check the grates. That means cleaning them with a good quality grill cleaner. But if you can't save them and your grill is still in good shape, pick up a few replacements. Your grill manufacturer's website is always a good place to get information and parts. So when it's time to grill, it'll be smooth sailing. And to help kick off grill season, why not try these tasty pork chops? What makes them so good is the sweet and tangy glaze that caramelizes as it cooks. To get the recipe for our honey mustard grilled pork chops, all you need to do is go to our website. And while you're there, check out our tips on getting your grill in tip-top shape. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found getting ready for grill season way. For you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at koamnewsnow.com.